In today's English lesson, I want to teach you how to sound a little bit more natural in English with this term, first time, last time. First time, last time says so much. It basically means you tried something for the first time, you didn't like it, you'll never try it again. So let's talk about it with a couple examples. Maybe your friend invites you to a concert. You don't know the band very well, but you don't have anything to do that night, so you say yes. When you go with your friend to the concert, you find out it is not your type of crowd at all. If something isn't your type of crowd, it's not your type of people. You don't feel comfortable when you're there. Maybe at the concert, people are too rough. Maybe they're pushing and shoving to the music. We call that a mosh pit. So the next day, when another friend asks you, hey, how was that concert? You could simply say, first time, last time. Meaning, I went once, I'll never go again. First time, last time. Let's practice a little shadowing with this one because we often say it very quickly. First time, last time. First time, last time. First time, last time. Maybe you get invited to a restaurant and it's a little too fancy for you. Maybe everyone is really dressed up, wearing nice suits, nice dresses, and you just don't feel comfortable. It's not your type of crowd. The next day, when a friend asks you, hey, how was that restaurant you tried last night? First time, last time. I went there once, I'll never go again. This lesson was really short. If you are looking to learn more English, take a look right up there. I did a lesson on other ways you can say that it's hot outside. Thanks for watching. See you next time.